Sonia, first of all, thank you for having us back at your office.
Thank you for having me.
And one of the Sonia, people who have a finance background, someone with a banking background, and things like that,
Yeah.
finance, accounting.
We have a franchise. It is a well established Canadian franchise. They have 60 plus locations across Canada. It's definitely something that they're going to help you step by step. There's training.
Okay.
Is very affordable. You're looking at approximately 60K.
Okay.
So that's just about
Future entrepreneurs who are from the accounting or finance background, this is definitely an excellent fit. Taxation is not going anywhere in countries like this, especially corporate tax. Hi everyone, thank you for tuning back. So we're sitting with Sonia again, and today I especially came down to get some details for you guys. Clients ask us what types of businesses do we have, and not only that, they ask us specific nature of those businesses, why should we invest into those businesses. So one of the businesses, Sonia, first of all, thank you for having us back at your office.
Thank you for having me.
And one of the questions we get and inquiries I personally get a lot is from people who have a finance background, someone with a banking background, and things like that.
Yeah.
Finance, accounting. So I understand we have access to a accounting franchise.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about it? What is the approximate investment people are looking at, and what type of support those franchises can provide?
Yes, so absolutely. You get a lot of inquiries as well as I for banking background
Yes.
individuals, finance background individuals, investment, bankers, that sort of thing, accountants in their home country, bookkeepers in their home country,
Yeah.
anything related to that. We have a franchise. It is a well established Canadian franchise. They have 60 plus locations across Canada right
Okay.
now. Ideally, the best part on this is, Shahrukh, is they do phenomenally well in smaller communities as well. This is an in-demand service sector.
Sure.
And what I think it's very important for your viewers to understand is there is training, there is support. The unique part of this franchise is they have what they call a central processing unit.
Okay.
And that central processing unit has CPAs sitting there, bookkeepers there who understand Canadian regulations. They're there to guide you, they're there to support you and your back end of your business. So my biggest worry always is when someone is coming from another country,
Sure.
how do you get that support?
Right.
Right? So this is definitely something that they're going to help you step by step. There's training.
Okay.
They would be also, I want to mention that they are willing to accept foreign buyers, which not every franchise
Yeah,
does, as we've talked
absolutely.
about previously.
Yeah.
So they are willing to do that. And they deal with B2B clients, which is fabulous because a lot of taxation franchises don't. They deal with personal taxation.
Okay, yeah, business to business for
And
those of us watching or not know the term.
100%. So that's where the greater amount of revenue is.
All right.
Corporate
T2s, corporation,
taxation,
payrolls,
in
all that.
corporations,
Yes,
business plans. They
absolutely.
do it all. Payroll, all
Absolutely.
payroll systems. So you can do payroll for your clients. They help you with the marketing.
Sure.
All of that is there. And the investment is very affordable. You're looking at approximately 60K. So
Okay.
that's just a ballpark I'm giving you. Depends on the areas. They're flexible with the office that you go in. You can even go.
That's the franchise cost, right?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. So nice thing is they don't regulate where you put your office.
Sure.
So as you know and I know, leasing rates vary
Right.
depending on
100%.
cities. Upstairs office rates are less than downtown
Sure.
retail.
Sure.
They're very flexible and very understanding.
So that's a very good note because, as you guys know, some programs they range from an investment of $100,000 to $200,000. So what Sonia has just mentioned is the franchise fee, which is about $60,000 Canadian. Then, in terms of investing an amount of 100,000 or above 100,000, some provinces are 150,000. It can be done because those provinces allow for 6 months of running expense. So with a franchise and startup fee, startup equipment, and your payroll and things like that, the numbers can be worked so that the 150,000 investment criteria or the $100,000 investment criteria is met. So that's a very interesting franchise, Sonia. We already have clients that are actually working with this franchise in order to come in Canada and set it up, which is something that is we're sharing today with you guys. And for future entrepreneurs who are from the accounting or finance background, this is definitely an excellent fit. Taxation is not going anywhere in countries like this, especially corporate taxation. and to have the support in the background where you are able to run the business and let somebody else or a franchise manage the back end, that's a huge support. So another, it's a great example of what types of solutions Sonia and her brokerage can provide, and we look forward to providing you these solutions inside Canada. Thank you for tuning in. Take care and bye for now.